So we have Savita Joshi ji over here from Yog Bharti. We will ask her a few questions. Welcome, ma'am. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Thank you for having me today.
Thank you so much for coming. Please tell us a little bit about Yog Bharti. For people who do not know about Yog Bharti, please describe that.
Yoga Bharati is a 25-year-old organization started in Bay Area, San Francisco Bay Area. And since last 4 years, we have been in Dallas, DFW area, mostly Frisco, Plano region, a little bit in Irving, colony areas. So what we do mainly is institutional work, yoga teacher training, yoga therapy teacher training. We do wellness classes for children, year-long programs for children. Children and youth anywhere from 6 to 18 years. And also we specialize in yoga therapy, therapeutic yoga from back pain to bedside and anything in between.
Good. That's amazing because yoga, I mean, over the years, I think it has gained so much importance. Lot of people, not just Hindu culture, Americans and other people from other communities, they all start enjoying yoga, but also the meditation aspect of it, right? What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So without meditation, yoga will not be complete. So we start from the body, which is gross. We feel the body, but you have to, the end goal is the freedom that we are looking for. So starting with the body, when we start feeling better. Then we go a little bit subtler into the energy plane, then a little bit subtler into the intellect plane, and then beyond that is the mind and bliss.
And then also we say that as we age, our body, we don't stretch ourselves, we don't move around that much. So many the parts of our body, we feel like जैसे कहते हैं जंग लग गई है, right? So it's very important. Yoga is very important. I mean growing awareness, and I feel like, but there are a lot of people. You said you guys are based in Frisco and Plano area. I am in Arlington. And a lot of people we do not have access to Yoga Bharti. So for those people, how do we get access?
Thank you very much for asking that question. We do a lot of in-person classes in some of these areas, but we are available 100% online. So lots of online classes we do. Yoga therapy is a very private one-on-one session, anywhere from 3 months to 1 year program. And we have seen a lot of tremendous results because our yoga also comes from evidence-based. As much as it is classic, that much it is evidence-based also, because yoga is being researched, thousands of papers are there. You can, there are a lot of archives, not only just India, US, Germany, many other institutions are working to see what is the efficacy of yoga, therapeutic yoga, to help with, along with medical treatment.
Yes, I was going to ask you, that was my next question. Like, what do you think about the medical professionals? What do they think about it, and how do they take you guys? Do they send their patients, if they hear about it, that maybe yoga can help you rather than they're relying on many of these medicines?
Absolutely, that's a another good question here.
Thank you.
Our local chapter president is a neurologist. He himself is Dr. Sunil Kumala. So he himself is a yoga practitioner. He also has done his teacher training from other institutions. And he totally he's a proponent, big proponent of yoga. So yes, absolutely. Lot of doctors believe in yoga because we don't do any touch therapy. So it's all yoga therapy is a active therapy, while other modalities work as passive. You know, even the medicines has to go inside and work. But if I ask you to move your arm, you have to move your arm. So yoga becomes an active therapy. So that's why it is organic, it is very slow, but it is going.
It is effective.
It is very effective.
So we definitely want to spread the word to other doctors, medical professionals, so that they guys reach you also, and many patients can take advantage from that.
Absolutely, yeah. We don't call patients, we call participants and clients, but we would welcome them. We love to form. In fact, I was talking to Dr. Sumana just before our interview here. Thank you. So we were trying to see how we can build an integrative model where there is a yoga therapist, where there is an Ayurveda, where there is a dietitian, where there is a doctor, possibly naturopathy. So all of these, all of them work in integration.
That is wonderful to know. Yes.
Yeah.
So I work for New India Abroad also. So anyway, we can help you if you guys are holding any workshops or anything. I would be happy to spread the word.
Thank you so much, and
Thank
namaste.
you so much. Namaste. We have Dr. Sumana from TIPS. Please tell me about your experience. Is this your first time coming over here?
Yeah, this is my first time
Nice.
here.
We are welcome you over here.
Thank you.
How's your experience? Of course, you're not new to Diwali. We know
I'm
that.
very excited to be here, to be honest, especially the circumstances right now that we are in, the environment around us. I think it's good to be united, and I'm allowed to be here and meet other like-minded people.
Yes, perfect. Let me ask you, as TIPS is a big organization, it's a doctors organization, and you guys bring forth every year so many events and everything. How have you celebrated Diwali or bring forth the Hindu culture on the forefront?
So Diwali is a festival of lights. It's a good over evil, win of a good over evil. So that's what we want to practice. And also, it's not just the glitzy part of Diwali. The real essence of it is celebrating the goodness. Celebrating the success over the and also the mindfulness that the festival brings. And it's all about helping the people that are not so so blessed, are underprivileged. That is also part of doing good thing.
So did you guys do anything?
We did
this
some
year?
food drive,
Good.
not through TIPS, but we did it as a few physicians
Right, okay.
together, and we did the food drive for Texas Food Bank, and we continue to do those other events, and we do free health fairs.
Right, yes, that's what I was going to
Being an
ask you.
endocrinologist, this time of the year is very important because we had Navratri followed by Diwali, so people eat a lot of sweets, and their diabetes control gets worse. So we did some education on the healthy, the habits and how to stay healthy during the festival season. So it's all about educating people and creating awareness.
Well, I'll continue the food part a little bit more because Thanksgiving is now coming.
Yes.
And that also means lots
Followed
of
by
food.
Christmas.
Yes. So let me ask you, how has I want the interaction or the incorporation of basically the Hindu culture in Thanksgiving. I know we all celebrate Diwali and we all understand the meaning of Diwali, but Thanksgiving is a culture which is American culture, but we are all celebrating it
Yes.
because it has become part of our
their
lifestyle,
culture.
right?
Because we've been living here for so long.
And that giving nature, it continues from Diwali to Thanksgiving and even towards Christmas. So I want to ask you, what's your intake on Thanksgiving being celebrated by the Indian community, or if you have maybe a certain recipe that you follow, or any particular tradition that you follow on Thanksgiving, which caters to the Hindu community.
So Thanksgiving is expressing our gratitude to our ancestors who brought us to this land. Even though we are not American Indians, we are Indian Americans. So we came here as migrants, immigrants, and we contributed a lot to the society with our knowledge and with our wisdom. And we want to continue to enrich the lives of people around us, incorporating our ancient wisdom. So the way I celebrate is, of course, there will be a turkey, but most of the times it's ends up being vegetarian turkey.
Exactly. That's what I heard in the past also from some of the delegates.
Or the cauliflower, we cut it like a turkey. So, and then we invite all the friends and family because most of us came here as the first generation immigrants. We don't have the immediate family here. So our friends become the family. It's the time to get together and celebrate and enjoy the family time.
Continue enjoying the
Continue to enjoy the family time.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sure,
We
thank you.
really appreciate is doing Thanksgiving point of view. How are you incorporating Indian culture and traditions with Thanksgiving?
We're doing just for Thanksgiving. We're just doing.
Is that your mayor?
That's our mayor.
Okay.
So we're not doing anything specific for Indian. We don't have a big Indian population. Thanksgiving we are doing for the senior center. We do like a nice Thanksgiving
That's
meal.
amazing,
And we're doing
yeah.
a lunch. I work with the volunteers, so the volunteers help serve. So that's always a nice thing.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So each
And
year
the-
it gets bigger.
Each year gets bigger.
Yeah.
That's right. And then, do you have good Indian community support right now in your city?
It's hard to say. So like a lot of a lot of the residents are old-time residents, but then we have lots of young professionals. So
Okay.
what I do, I get the volunteers involved, and a lot of them are Indian. So a lot of people I have brought in are very young people that have moved there very recently. listening, and a lot of them are from the Indian background. They're like, oh, we'll come volunteer.
Yes.
And they've never done it before.
Yes.
And they've really made friends with each other, not just Indians, all
All
people,
over,
but
yes,
it's very nice because that itself built the community.
Absolutely,
So
as you
it's
say
so
that,
nice,
because we
yeah.
want to build the youth. That is more important.
Yes, and that's why when I saw the Seva International guy, I said, yes, exactly. The whole point is to
Bring
for
the
everyone
youth,
to bring
everybody to come over,
Yes.
but more so youth, so that they believe in our culture and they can help
Right.
when they spread the word.
Yes.
It means a lot for everybody,
Right,
like, you know,
right.
from
Yes,
all the
I know.
country. But we were talking to Suchi from Edison. Thank you so much,
Yes,
Suchi.
you're
You
good.
enjoy the
Yes, you live in
evening.
the park?
I don't
Oh,
actually.
okay.